We hope to always deliver value to the customer when they switch to Star Service and utilize our controls offering. Star Service for 60+ years has been servicing all makes and models of equipment and the control systems that continue to manage and maintain those systems operations. So our uniqueness is that we are not locked into necessarily any one controls platform. We have looked to diversify our options that we can provide to the customers based on what control systems they have in their facilities. Legacy proprietary systems such as Automated Logic, Train, Johnson Controls. In our controls department, we have behind us a simulation test stand which allows us to provide programming and pre-test it at our facility and debug before deployment at our customer's facility. The big benefit of being able to do this is so that we avoid any interruptions at deployment. So it's really a seamless deployment for the customer.